Today topic is Indian banking system. Indian banking systemல definitions of unit bank பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம். Definitions of unit bank according to Zabiro, Solomon and White, an independent unit bank is an corporation that operates one office and that is not related to other banks through either ownership or control. This is the definitions of unit bank. Next topic is advantages of unit banking. This is 9 points having 9 advantages. Number 1 is easy management. This is the control of unit bank is much easier and effective due to the small size and operations of the banks. Number 2, localized banking. It has the specialized knowledge of the local problems and solves the requirements of the local problem in a better manner than branch banking. Third point is quick decision. A great advantages of unit bank is that there is no delay of any kind is taking decision and important problems concerning the unit bank. Okay. Next, fourth, no monopolist tendencies. Unit banks are generally of small size. Thus, there is no possibility of generating monopolistic tendencies under unit banking system. Fifth point is promotes regional balance. There is no transfer of resource from rural and backward areas to the big industrial commercial centers. Sixth is initiative in banking business. This is a full knowledge of and greater involvement in the local problems. Seventh is flexibility in operation. The unit banks are more flexible. The manager of unit bank can use his discretion and arrive at quick decision. Eighth point is no inefficient branches. This system is big and inefficient branches are automatically eliminated. No protection is provided to such banks. Ninth one is no diseconomics of large scale operations. This is the free from the diseconomics and problems of large scale operation which are generally experimented by the branch. Now discuss about disadvantages of unit banking. Disadvantages have 9 points having number 1 limited scope. This unit bank is limited. They do not get the benefits of large scale operation. Second one is number of distributions of risk. This is unit bank is operations are highly located. Therefore, there is little possibility of distributions and diversifications of risk and various area and industries. Third point is inability to face crashes. Limited source of unit bank also restrict their ability to face financial crash. Number 4 is lack of specialization. This is because of their small size are not able to introduce and get advantages of the divisions of labor and specialization. Such banks can afraid to employ high trained and specialized the staffs. Fifth point is operates only in urban area and big towns. Because of their limited resource cannot around to open uneconomic banking business is smaller towns and rural area. Next, costly remittance of funds. There is no branches at other place. As a result, it has to depend upon the correspondent banks for the transfer of funds, which is very expensive. Next point is difference in interest rates. Since easy and cheap movement too does not exist under the unit banking system, interest rate vary considerably by the different places. This is local pressure. The bank highly localized in their business, local pressure and interference generally dispute their normal functioning. This is like last point is undesirable competition. This independently run by the different management. This result is undesirable competitions among the different unit banks.